Having trouble getting YouTube audio to play through your Bluetooth headphones or speaker? Don't worry, there are a few quick settings you can check. First, close YouTube and open your phone's settings. You can swipe down and use the search option if you can't find it. Next, tap Connections, then select Bluetooth. Find the Bluetooth device you're currently connected to and tap the gear icon beside it. Make sure the audio or media audio option is enabled. If it's turned off, your phone may stay connected without sending YouTube's sound to the device. If that option is already enabled, go back to the main settings menu and open Sounds and Vibration. Scroll through the options and look for Separate App Sound. Depending on your phone model, you can also use the settings search bar to find it quickly. Open that setting and check whether it's directing YouTube audio somewhere else. If Separate App Sound is enabled, try switching it off and then test YouTube again. Finally, reconnect your Bluetooth headphones or speaker and play a video. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.